Hello and welcome back to Hiking in Japan. Today we are exploring the Koajiro No Mori, Forest of the Koajiro. I just think that sounds so romantic. The Koajiro No Mori is a super special ecosystem. It is called the only untouched natural ecosystem in the greater Tokyo area. You have woods and riverhead areas, wetlands, mudflats, the ocean, of course. There is just such a spectacular Japanese landscape here in this forest. I cannot wait to take you all along to check it out. What's also really great about this trail is there is sort of designated free parking. You park at this shopping center area. The parking is free, for now at least. And if you go inside the shopping area, you can get snacks, there's bathrooms, water, that kind of thing. There's even a special area dedicated to the Koajiro No Mori, which is really cool because if you use your Google Translate or you know Japanese, you can read all about this amazing ecosystem, see pictures, watch videos, and even talk to some of the volunteers there. As soon as I opened the car door, the air just fell on top of me. It is so hot and humid today, but there's already a little bit of shade on this trail that's making it a little more bearable. Absolutely doable as a quick day hike out of Tokyo or in the Yokosuka area. The Miura area is quickly becoming my home away from home. I absolutely love it out here. A little bit more quiet, a lot less tourists. As always, thank you so much for subscribing, for being here, and for coming along on another adventure in Japan. Let's hike. I want to say that this trail is so quiet and peaceful and solitary, but the sounds are so loud. The birds, the water trickling, the bugs buzzing. I've seen bees, hornets, flies, so many different kinds of butterflies, maybe some moths. I did hear something jumping in the trees and I thought, oh my goodness, I'm gonna see a monkey in Japan. It was a squirrel. So if you are all about squirrels, this is the trail for you, my friend. Whew. I'm still melting. There's not too much of a breeze on these walkways because the trees and the brush is so thick that I don't think a breeze can get through, but I'm definitely looking forward to getting to the coast again and catching that ocean breeze. Whoo! It's a peaceful noise out here, a peaceful noise. We made it to the tidal flat area. Unfortunately, it is high tide just about now, or it's about to be high tide. So a lot of the flats where you can walk out and see the crabs is currently covered by water, but it's still really, really cool to see. There's a tiny smidge of a trail left to explore. I'm gonna check if there's a lot of banana spiders. Oh, I just saw a fish jump. Oh, fish is jumping. Anyway, I'm gonna see if that section of the trail is clear of enough spiders to check out. I have seen a lot of them making their webs along the trail, but so far, because it's so wide here, the fish. Sorry, I can't even. Oh, okay, guys. Anyway, so we're gonna check out a little more trail. Definitely watch these jumping fish, and then head back to check out the trail that we bypassed in order to come to the tidal flats. I can't even take myself seriously, y'all. Can't even do it. This is too much fun. Okay. Hey, fishies. Oh. Thanks for exploring the Koajiro No Mori with me. Very serene. What a beautiful, humid day in Japan. It was the perfect day for a little walk in the forest. Keep thinking those squirrels are monkeys, y'all. Just squirrels, not monkeys. Gotta love some coastal views, a beautiful shrine, and now it's back to retrace our steps and hopefully not get stung by any hornets on the way home. Thank you so much for taking a walk with me. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more adventures ahead.